Hello everyone, welcome to the General Knowledge class of Standard 8th. The topic that I am going to take today is famous female scientists. With the following objectives, you will come to know about the various female scientists and their achievements. But before discussing with the famous female scientists given in your book, let us discuss few famous female scientists from India. The first picture you can see flashing on the screen is Asima Chatterjee. Asima Chatterjee is the first Indian woman scientist. She was an Indian organic chemist noted for her work in the fields of organic chemistry and phytomedicine. Her most notable work includes research on vinca alkaloids, the development of anti-epileptic drugs, and development of anti-malarial drugs. This is the image of Priya Davidar. She is an Indian scientific researcher, a conservation biologist, scholar, and an author currently. She is working as a professor at the Pondicherry University and conducts ecological research in different regions of India. She was elected as Fellow of American Association for the Advancement of Science in 2012. She is actively involved with the conservation of forest and wildlife too. Now next is the image of Yamuna Krishnan. Yamuna Krishnan is a professor at the Department of Chemistry, University of Chicago, where she has worked since August 2014. She was born in Kerala. She is the youngest woman recipient of Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, the highest science award in India, which she won in year 2013 in the chemical science category. Now coming to your book, the first image is of Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. In 1903, she, along with her husband, won the Nobel Prize for Physics for discovering radioactivity and two elements, polonium and radium, in 1898. She was the first and the only woman to win the Nobel Prize twice in two different scientific fields. She was the first woman to become a professor of the University of Paris. Next is the image of Maria Goeppert-Mayer. Maria Goeppert-Mayer was a German-born American theoretical physicist and Nobel laureate in physics for proposing the nuclear shell model of the atomic nucleus. She was the second woman to win a Nobel Prize in physics, the first being Marie Curie. In 1986, Maria Goeppert-Mayer Award for Early Career Women Physicist was established in her honor. On number 3, we have Rachel Carson. Rachel Carson was an American marine biologist, author, and conservationist, whose book Silent Spring and other writings are credited with advancing the globe environmental movements. She made society aware of the harmful effects of DDT on crops and water. Next is the image of Gertrude Bell Elion. Gertrude Bell Elion was an American biochemist and pharmacologist who shared the 1988 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine with George H. Hitchings and Sir James Black for their use of innovative methods of rational drug design for the development of new drugs. This new method focused on understanding the target of the drug rather than simply using trial and error. Her work led to the creation of the AIDS drug AZT. Next is the image of Rachel Zimmerman Branchman. Rachel Zimmerman Branchman is a Canadian-born woman, space scientist and inventor. Branchman invented Bliss symbol printer in 1984, making it simple for users with physical disabilities to communicate. A user can choose various Bliss symbols to convey his or her thoughts, and the printer translates those images to written text. Her invention was recognized worldwide, and she has received several awards for her achievements. Last, we have the image of Rosalind Franklin. Rosalind Franklin was an English chemist and X-ray crystallographer whose work was central to the understanding of the molecular structure of DNA, RNA, viruses, coal, and graphite. Although her works in coal appreciated in her lifetime her contributions. At the end of my video, I hope that you have come to know about the famous female scientists given in your book. Now, you should fill their names given on your lesson number 16 in your book. Thank you and have a nice day.